Thank you, Mr. President, distinguished colleagues. My name is Senator Victor Ume. My point of order, I represent Anambra Central Senatorial District. My point of order is some other 42. Personal explanation, Mr. President. Do I need to read it? Personal explanation.
Proceed for those who may not know.
Thank you, Mr. President. Leader, last Friday, 13th of February, our distinguished colleague, Senator Kezia, was laid to rest in his country home, Ichi, in Enugu, in Iwezo South local government area of Enugu State. Mr. President, it was a very emotional ceremony, but I want to use this opportunity, Mr. President, to thank you, distinguished Senate President, for leading a delegation to that burial. Some senators also came. But when you came in with the people that you arrived with later on, it recharged the atmosphere, and the community was agog with your presence. The family felt further consoled. Our colleagues were there from the morning time. The governor of Enugu State was there. So, and when you finally came, you showed the seriousness the Senate attached to what happened to us. You condoled the family and then the widow. So we are very happy with the participation of this Senate led by you on that day. So I want to use this opportunity to say that formally, that everything concerning him and his death had been put to rest. He was laid to rest in a very befitting ceremony, both Christian ceremony and the community and dignitaries from all over that thronged that place. It showed that our brother and colleague died a good man. And I want to put it on record that the Senate was represented in that burial to the satisfaction of the community people and members of the senatorial district. So I thank you, Mr. President, and I want to say that we'll continue to pray for the repose of his soul. May his soul continue to rest in peace. Amen. Thank you, Mr. President.
Oh, thank you, distinguished Senator Victor Ume, for the appreciation. And I also want to join Senator Ume to thank our colleagues who were there at the burial in their large numbers. Despite the distance from the airport to the village, which was over 2.5 hours going and 2.5 hours back, we were there in our large numbers. I want to thank also the governor of Enugu State, who in person came to attend that burial, which for us was also doing honor to the Senate. And so we appreciate everybody. We further condole with the senatorial district, the family, and the close associates of late Senator Esia. We appreciate the fact that you have commended us, and we further say, may so rest in perfect peace. Thank you. Leader of the Senate.